Have you ever wondered what maritime studies is all about? Or wondered what you can do with a maritime studies degree? I'm on the campus of East Carolina University in order to find out the answers to those questions.
Maritime Studies, it's a graduate program where each year we get students coming in to learn about maritime archaeology and maritime history. What they do is for about the first year, they just do some academic classwork, and then we take them out in the field to do some actual underwater archaeology in the summer.
Archaeological dig is the uncovering of a site where a group of people lived, and the whole point is to learn about the culture and the history of the people who lived there at the time based off artifacts found, such as pottery, clothes, fireplaces, maybe even things that they wrote down.
In maritime archaeology, we've had a good track record of getting our students employed either in federal or state jobs. For example, NOAA has a series of national marine sanctuaries, and we have a lot of former graduates who are working in that program. We have people working for the state of North Carolina.
Yellow House is where the offices of a couple of the professors of maritime studies is located. So if you have a question for one of the professors, come to the Yellow House. Now you have a basic understanding of what maritime studies is. This is Eric Sylvester, The Source.